Fridge.
Yeah.
Champagne, water, juices, beer, apple soda, premium liquor, Cabernet Sauvignon Blanc, Absolute Vodka, Appleton, Tangerine, and Black Label.
And a very good looking butler.
Oh yes, yes, yes.
So this time we're having a split stay, and for our second part of our trip we have this 1-bedroom butler room at Sandals Barbados, room 1224, as you can see. It's very spacious. We are on the first floor, so the view is not the most spectacular. Nice size. And little hors d'oeuvres. And champagne on ice. So the alcohol, we have premium brands. And there is a special in-room dining menu for the butler rooms. And dining is included 24/7. If you're staying in the other categories, the dining is from 7 a.m. till 11 p.m. which I think is plenty. But anyway, here's your dining menu for the butler service. So the bedroom has a second TV, and there is the balcony. Lots of birds everywhere. So we could see the ocean, not as much as when we were up there, but still. So the view is alright of the pool. That soaking tub that I really like.